Banjaiga honors you and welcomes you to its 22nd open house.
ये एक बेसिकली एक नया कॉन्सेप्ट है, क्योंकि नया कॉन्सेप्ट इस मुल्क में लोगों को डाइजेस्ट करवाना इट्स वेरी टफ। मुझे पर्सनली तो इस मुल्क से बेपनाह मोहब्बत है, बहुत ज़्यादा। मेरा इरादा यही है कि इस मुल्क में जितना भी मैं कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकूं एज अ कंपनी।
We at HomeZone are the renowned and the most prestigious UPVC domain in the entire Asian region as well as Pakistan. We are working as nationwide currently and we have offices all over Pakistan. And thank you all for coming and being part of this great event pulled up by Banjaiga.
It is an effort by the architect along with, of course, catering to the functional to capture the intangible qualities of time, space, beauty, ethics, sustainability, and more that he or she must be committed to and have always been motivated and aspired to achieve.
A place to de-stress and a representation of our shared values. It encompasses a holistic living and ecologically sustainable habitat for both human and fellow beings. The experiential dialogue of values between the user and space, a travelogue of memories, rendering of local materials from north of Pakistan to the south, slate from KPK, Gadab stone from Sindh, wood and brick from the plains of Punjab, in the midst of natural found objects.
And one thing that we learned the best was that we have absolutely amazing work in Pakistan. हमारे आर्किटेक्ट्स इतने मंझे हुए हैं, इतने अच्छे हैं, सिर्फ लोगों को पता नहीं है। एजुकेशन बहुत ज़रूरी थी।
जो सीरियसनेस है प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में, जो कि सीरियस वर्क को पोर्ट्रे करना है, तो मेरे ख्याल में इससे अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं है। और लोगों को एक सीरियस चीज़ दिखाना असल मकसद रखता है